Today's a very emotional day for me. This morning I walked into church and the first thing I saw was a little girl wearing a Be Positive shirt, and on the back it said, "Live like Andrew." I'm sitting here talking with you. I walked here from my house and I can walk to the hospital where they treated my son and where my son died. And so many people like Eileen Paulson and the kids here dancing, you guys coming here. It's that fork in the road that I talked about. You don't have to do this. You could be doing something else. But you choose to say, how can I help this guy and this organization help families of kids with cancer? And it's just so meaningful to me. And also, as a proud Irish American, it's a thrill to me that the Irish dancers, the children, are rallying to make a difference here in the shadow of where I live, in the shadow of where my son died. And it's just, I'm very touched because what you're doing is spreading awareness about the Be Positive Foundation and childhood cancer. Someone's going to watch this and maybe their next door neighbor, their child from church has cancer, and I want them to reach out to us. I want them to be a resource. And I want people to go to bed tonight thinking, how can I make a difference in the world of childhood cancer tomorrow? And I want parents to go into that messy room of their daughter and not freak out so much. Because you know what? I wish I could walk into my son's room and complain about the mess. Or his soccer spikes that he left in the house with the mud on them. I would love that. Tomorrow I'm going to a soccer tournament and there's going to be all these parents hanging their head because their kids' team's lost. I would love to put my son in the car and head off for lunch and bemoaning the great loss of a soccer game. You know, we got to appreciate what we have each and every moment, and you guys are helping us spread that message, and I thank you so much for taking the time to include the Be Positive Foundation in your mission, because it's admirable what you guys are doing.